Brace yourselves. Winter is coming. Yeah, but no, seriously, everybody. Neko Dash here. Hey, welcome. It's a very brisk Wednesday, isn't it? Hey, clouds over most of the country. Actually, you can see here on the satellite movie that only a small sliver of Japan is cloud-free today. And you got that little area along the Pacific coast, currently from Utsunomiya on down. And you can see here in Yokohama, we've got a break in the cloud activity. It was cloudy, gray all day until about 1 hour ago. Current conditions here in northern Yokohama. Right now, it's about 4 p.m. Nice, about 12 degrees. Clouds, however, they'll be coming back later on this evening. Now, what's going on here at the moment is that there is a low tracking along the Pacific coast, off the east coast of the country. It's not strong, but what it is doing is starting to bring north winds down from Siberia, and then those are colliding with some of the warmer air that we had here recently, and that is making for a very wide footprint of precipitation across the nation today. The Sea of Japan coast, from Fukuoka on up to Hokkaido, basically the entire length of the country, will see some sort of precipitation today. New snowfall in many areas here can be expected as far south and west as Matsue, and expected accumulations anywhere between 2 to 15 centimeters. Well, winds too, man. We can't forget those, even though there's nothing really to write home about here in Yokohama. Basically, still skies. But winds are very impressive along the coast, both the Sea of Japan side and the Pacific Ocean side. The closer you are to the coast, the stronger the winds will be. As of about an hour and a half ago, Niigata was seeing winds of 30 to 40 kilometers an hour. Hakodate as well. They were in the mid-20s. Choshi, that little point in Chiba poking out into the Pacific, was seeing constant winds of about 30 kilometers an hour. Inland, not so much. Breezes between 5 to 15 kilometers felt in most areas. So let's go up to about 1,500 meters. And that zero sea line that I keep talking about, that freezing line, it will cover most of the country except for Kanto at 6 p.m. But then, well, even we will fall under that line by 9 p.m. tonight, and that will presage some cooling temperatures for the rest of the week. Tomorrow we'll have cold weather nationwide with unsettled skies pretty much everywhere. Hiroshima, Osaka, Tokyo, Yokohama will get up to about 10 degrees. Nagoya, about 8. Kanazawa, Niigata, Sendai, well, they'll peak at about 5. And Sapporo, they'll report in with a hefty -2. Naha in Okinawa, meanwhile, will be at a brisk 20 C under cloudy skies. It will remain a little bit cold, though, for most of the country for the rest of the week, with a modest warming trend due to start around Saturday. So that's your Neko Dash weather forecast. And remember, winter is coming.